What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new truck we're about to start right now. It is a 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. It's one of the nice trucks, nice trim package. The truck is in that sterling metallic silver color. It looks amazing. I love the way it looks. The fender flares are already painted on this one, so it's going to be really, really nice. We're doing the 4-inch Cognito performance lift kit on it. Now, what that means is Cognito has a couple different lift kit levels that you can buy. You can get a performance kit, a standard kit. They have elite kit, I think. They have all kinds of different shock options that you can do. The main difference between the standard kit and the performance kit is the standard kit comes with a Fox 2.0 shock, where the performance kit comes with a Fox 2.0 reservoir. The performance kit also comes with the upper control arms and the steering braces that everybody likes so much from Cognito. The idler arm and pitman arm support braces are really, really nice for these trucks. You get all that in the performance kit, and none of those extras come in the standard kit. Now, the standard kit does its job. It lifts the truck 4 inches and you get all the necessary parts. You just don't get the upgrades and the cool flashy things. So if it's worth it to you, it's a little bit of an upgrade on price. So stay tuned. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what this one looks like, and then we're going to get started on it. Here's our brand spanking new Denali Ultimate 2500 GMC Sierra. This truck has very, very low miles on it. It's next to brand new. Has the color matched fender flares on it already. Super nice truck. That sterling metallic color is so nice to me. I love it. The Denali Ultimate still comes with the gloss black up on the grill, around the grill, and then it comes with a Vader chrome in the grill. This one's gonna look really nice. We're doing a 37-inch Nitto ridge grappler on it, 37 12/50/20s. So stay tuned for the process. This one is gonna be sharp. The interior of this truck is immaculate clean. It's almost like he knew he was getting a video shot or something, you know? Truck's got 2,027 miles on it. Customer's name is Ted. I wanted to say I really appreciate him. I know that he drove from somewhere. I didn't really have time to look and see where this morning. I'm sure I remember, but it's early. Stay tuned for the process. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm getting started on it right now. 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate is ready to go. We did the 4-inch Cognito Performance Series lift kit. It comes with the upper control arms right here. It comes with a Fox Reservoir 2.0 shock right there. And then it also comes with some steering braces that they're hard to see up in here, but there they are. There's your wonderful cross member from Cognito. It has perfect angles every single time. This is a very, very smooth riding kit. The angles are better than factory on those CV axles right there. The tire we went with is the 37 12-50-20 Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is a good all-around tire for all conditions. It's good on the road, good off-road, very quiet, very smooth, lasts forever. Tire is a little bit more expensive than a lot of the competition, but I definitely recommend spending the money on the tires. I would rather you buy a cheap lift kit and cheap wheels than buy cheap tires, because that's, you know, ultimately what the ride of the truck comes from. Here's that front cross member from the front. Looks really, really good. It also puts Fox 2.0 shocks back here in the back, the reservoirs. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. I'm going to attach a quote for this job in the clip following this one so that you can know how much this would cost. If you have any questions or you want to build a custom quote, shoot me a call. My number is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching.